What if I told you that one of the biggest business opportunities in India right now is a bottle made of paper? Not a gimmick, not a concept, a real, fast-growing, multi-billion-dollar global industry, and most entrepreneurs here haven't even heard of it yet. Today, I want to talk to you about a massive gap in the market, and a handbook that will help you step into it, starting from scratch. This is Paper Water Bottle Manufacturing, a complete practical guide for startups and entrepreneurs who want to build a real business in the sustainable packaging space. Every single minute, 1 million plastic bottles are purchased somewhere on this planet, and less than 10% of them will ever be recycled. The rest sit in the earth for over 1,000 years. Governments around the world are done waiting. The UK already taxes virgin plastic packaging at over £217 per tonne. The European Union has binding plastic reduction targets. India has banned single-use plastics. These are not future plans, this is happening right now. And here's the thing, every FMCG brand, every hotel chain, every event company, every beverage startup needs to find an alternative. They are actively searching for suppliers. That supplier could be you. Now, let me give you the numbers, because this is where entrepreneurs pay attention. The global paper bottle market is already valued at over $1.5 billion. By 2033, it is projected to cross $5 billion, growing at 15% or more every single year. The biggest brands in the world, Unilever, Diageo, Nestle, and Coca-Cola, are already testing and switching to paper packaging. They need a supply chain. They need manufacturers. Now here's the India angle, and this is important. Packaging is the fifth largest sector of the Indian economy. The paper packaging market here is expected to grow from $19 billion in 2025 to over $46 billion by 2030. That's a 19% growth rate every year. The demand is real. The supply is thin. The timing is perfect. So, why should you, specifically, start a paper water bottle manufacturing business? Here are 5 reasons. 1. Regulatory demand is your sales pitch. You're not convincing anyone to buy sustainable packaging out of kindness. They have no choice. Government regulations are forcing the switch. That makes your job as a salesperson much easier. 2. Consumers are pulling the market. Over 70% of consumers say they actively prefer eco-friendly packaging and will pay more for it. Your buyers' customers are already demanding this change. 3. Almost no competition locally. In India, paper bottle manufacturers can be counted on one hand. You are entering early. That advantage is real, and it compounds over time. 4. The product works. Paper bottles today can hold water, juice, carbonated drinks, spirits, and personal care products. They cut plastic usage by up to 70%. This isn't an experiment. It's a proven product. 5. B2B means bulk, repeat revenue. You are selling to businesses, not one bottle at a time. Hotels, airlines, event companies, and FMCG brands place large, recurring orders. Once you're in, you stay in. If you're serious about entering this industry, this handbook is designed to guide you through the entire journey. It covers manufacturing processes, raw materials, machinery requirements, production techniques, quality control, project economics, investment estimates, market potential, and many other practical aspects required to establish a successful paper bottle manufacturing business. Whether you are a first-time entrepreneur or an existing manufacturer looking to diversify, this handbook serves as a valuable resource for planning and launching your project. The window to enter this market early is open right now. In 3 to 5 years, it will be crowded. The brands will have locked in their suppliers. The pricing will be compressed. But today, you can walk in as a first mover, build relationships with buyers who need you, and create a business that is profitable and genuinely good for the world. The link to get your copy of Paper Water Bottle Manufacturing is in the description below. It's priced to be accessible because I want as many serious entrepreneurs as possible to actually use it. If you found this video useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Tell me, which sector are you thinking about targeting first? Beverages? Hotels? Corporate events? I read every reply. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.